we have had 2 to 3 days of dips. Does this mean this is the end of the bull run? Should we be worried? Are you a crypto rookie and starting to panic? Have you put in your first and last only thousands of dollars, right? My honest opinion, and I am indeed, this is my first bull market, I am indeed the crypto rookie, which means if you hit subscribe, you get to learn along with me, you get to experience the bull market with me, but I also get to share all of the research that I have found as a crypto rookie that's helping me continue on my crypto journey this year, right? Hit that little subscribe button, hit that little subscribe icon-y bell thing to be alerted every time I upload a video. Now, the bull run is not over. It's not over. There's a lot of steam in this engine still. And the harder you press down a coiled spring, the higher it can jump and explode at the other end. Now, why do I think that this is not the end of the bull market? Well, there hasn't been a huge blow off top. Other altcoins haven't skyrocketed like hundreds of % every couple of days, right? There isn't the same kind of pattern that exists at the end of the 2017 bull market. There isn't a huge 50% drop. There isn't plummets. And what drops we have had haven't been natural. Okay, if there'd been a 30-40% shift to the downside without Elon Musk's help, right? If Elon Musk hadn't tweeted the worst possible things deliberately at the bottom of a downward drop twice over the course of a weekend, then we wouldn't have gone as low as we had. And yes, it's broken through the $47,000 resistance band, but we are still holding fairly firm at the 41, and even until it drops down to about 35, 38, shouldn't really panic just yet. Now, I believe that in the long run, all that's happening is right now is a very nice chance to start collecting a load of your favorite altcoins and main coins. Like Ethereum just dropped back down to 3,300 yesterday. At one point it was flirting with 4,200. Are you honestly saying that 4,200 is the top of Ethereum when people were predicting 10, 12, 15, 20,000 dollars by the end of the year? Do you really think that Bitcoin's going to stall out at 40,000 when people were suggesting it's going to hit 300,000 by the end of the year? I just think that yes, what's happened is Elon Musk has kicked it and kicked it and kicked it. But sooner or later, if you keep poking a pit bull in the face, it's going to rowl back and bite you. Now, whether it's the community, whether people just stop listening to Elon Musk, or just generally the price action, yes, it's going to shake out all of the paper-handed people, all of the people that are in the market for the first time. Now, don't get me wrong, I've had a couple of moments where I've doubted myself. I've had a couple of moments where I'm like, I could pull it all out, but I didn't, right? I am married to the pure idea that everything happens for a reason and things don't repeat themselves, right? History doesn't repeat itself, but it does rhyme. Once again, another one of those sayings that is in this industry. And in 2017, there was a little mini blip. In 2017, there was a little dip, right? But then the next 5-6 months absolutely roared all the way up to the top. And the top is a huge blow off top followed by a drop. What we've had is kind of like a healing, right? Where you get to the top of a summit and you just kind of sit there for a bit before you go up to base camp. And anyone right now that wants to get in on Bitcoin before it goes parabolic, right? You've got a chance right now to get Bitcoin for $45,000. When just a month and a half ago it was at 62, 63, and people were predicting 300,000 by the end of the year. Even if Elon Musk has kicked it a little bit to take some of the steam out of the top end, and let's say it's going to go to 200, that's still a 4x from where we are now, right? And yes, where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market follows, right? So if Bitcoin goes up by 4x, have a look at the other things that are around. Ethereum, ADA, that kind of thing. Those could still 4x, if not more. Smaller caps and altcoins tend to explode beyond Bitcoin in growth. And I've been with ADA since around about 60 cents on and off, trading it up, making profit, right? And it's now at $2 too, right? So that could hit 8 by the end of the bull run, 8, 10, 15. Do I think the bull run's over? No. Do I think that Elon Musk is scaring some of the softer-handed people out of the market? Yes. Is this a possibility and an opportunity for people to start collecting Bitcoin at 45,000, below 50,000? Yes. Do you see other people coming out and immediately agreeing with Elon? He seemed to be on his own, right? I just think that this is his chance to, somewhere down the line, bring up a problem and then be the savior of Bitcoin by solar mining elsewhere, right? So we'll see. What do you think about this? Are you collecting Bitcoin, Ethereum and others at this point? Or have you pulled out and you think the market is over? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Remember to hit subscribe for regular, almost daily, pretty much at this point, maybe even twice daily videos. Hit that little bell notification so you're alerted every time I post a video, because sometimes it can be breaking news that could really help you make money or save money in the case of a dip. Hit that subscribe button, check out that video, don't know what it is, and I'll see you soon. Ooh.